Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix fail to connect to the server error in the Genshin Impact. So let's get started our video. Our first method is that you have to just check your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to turn it off and use the Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to turn off the Wi-Fi and convert it to the mobile data. After doing so, you have to just click on the airplane mode for some time and then turn it off and restore your internet connection and change the router and restart your game. If this method not work for you, then you have to just move on to the next step. You have to just open your mobile settings and search here for the app management, and then click on the app settings and search here your game, and then just open it. So basically you have to just click on the fourth stop at the very bottom right corner of the page. You have to just click on it and then press OK. After this your problem will be resolved, and you have to just move on the next step. You have to click on the storage option here, and now you have to just click on the clear cache and then again click on the clear storage. After doing so, your problem will be resolved and you can be easily connect your server to the game. So that's all for this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.